And Ahmaud Arbery's family responds to the indictment of former district attorney Jackie Johnson. Johnson was indicted yesterday over the handling of the Arbery murder case, specifically for allegedly showing favor to one of the men now in jail in connection with shooting Ahmaud Arbery. News4JAX anchor Tarek Miner joins me with what came from a news conference this morning with Arbery's family and their attorneys. Tarek.
Bruce, the family is saying that this is a step in the right direction. It is important to point out, though, that it is very likely Ahmaud Arbery's death would have been ruled justified if the video of the shooting didn't come out. The family is hoping Johnson, who oversees these kinds of investigations, gets punished to the full extent of the law. Johnson was indicted on charges of violation of oath of public office and obstruction of a police officer. This is in relation to Gregory McMichael, who used to work for her as an investigator before he retired. Pictured here are both Gregory and Travis McMichael, the father and son. Travis is accused of shooting and killing Arbery. Jackie Johnson is accused of blocking the arrest of Travis, who shot and killed him. An attack that was caught on cell phone camera by a third participant, William Bryan. Now here's what Arbery's family members said about Johnson's indictment.
Former DA Johnson may not have pulled the trigger on the day Ahmaud was murdered, but she played a starring role in the cover-up. Ahmaud was stalked, gunned down, and his killers were allowed to freely walk the streets for months. And why? Because DA Johnson wanted to protect one of Ahmaud's killers, former police officer Gregory McMichael.
Yesterday was a very huge win. I'm speechless, Unfortunately, Ahmaud is not here with us today, but Ahmaud, me losing Ahmaud, it will change some things here in the state of Georgia. And I'm just very thankful. I appreciate all the hard work from the state, from the Cobb County DAs, and from the federal, Ms. Lyons. I just appreciate everyone who has come in to help our family.
If Johnson is convicted, the violation of oath of public office is a felony charge that carries a sentence of 1 to 5 years in prison. The obstruction and hindering a law enforcement officer charge is a misdemeanor that carries up to 12 months. The trial in the Arbery case starts next month.